Speaker, sir. Reply to star question number 30. A. Sir, the government is committed to balancing developments with environmental sustainability. The decision to proceed with road widenings and the creations of new parking spaces at Watts Lake and Phanong Lake Parks were taken after careful considerations of the growing needs of urban infrastructure to alleviate traffic congestions and improve accessibility for the residents and visitors. The goal is to enhance public utility while safeguarding our natural heritage. B. So the redevelopment of Watts Lake project is still in the DPR stage, and the redevelopment of the Phanong Lake Park project is currently in the concepts and design stages. Effort will be made to minimize tree cuttings. This follows the successful example of the Urban Affairs Department, which created a new parking recently just opposite Nigrims without cutting any single tree. C. Alleviating traffic congestion is a multi-pronged strategy also involving redevelopment of the existing urban spaces. These are yes. And E. The government has conducted through several studies to identify the key factors contributing to traffic congestions in Shillong city. These studies include the blueprint to decongest Shillong, designs by the Home Police Department in consultation with IIM Shillong, and the Comprehensive Mobility Plan 2024 by the Urban Affairs Department. And these studies reveal the following gaps in tackling traffic congestions. A. Limited road width. 80% road are less than 7.5 meters. And limited road capacity. On-street parking reduces road capacity by 30 to 40%. C. Increasing number of private vehicles. High vehicular growth rate at 17.5%. F. SAR does not arise in view at the above.